Hi, my name's Nick Davis from Simplicity Remastered, and today I'm here to talk to you about what's in my equipment bag. This is my hairdryer, and these are my diffusers. Hairdryers come in many shapes and sizes and speeds. I personally prefer a slower, cooler hairdryer, as it is not excessive heat that blow dries hair, but airflow around the hair that dries it. Generally, a hairdryer would either be used on its own, or with a brush, or with a diffuser. A diffuser, as it says, diffuses the air, so the air comes out much slower and more natural. This is to stop curly hair from going frizzy. This is a new diffuser. This is for controlling and diffusing much shorter hair. I do not use a nozzle on my hairdryer, as this intensifies the heat and causes more damage to the hair.